안녕 친구들. Shocking news. God did it again. I cannot believe I have made this. Sora's 4-ingredient ramen soup. Yay! The best part of this recipe? Simplicity. Only 4 ingredients you can make this fantastic, delicious, natural, homemade ramen soup. So what are they? 진간장, Korean soy sauce, gochugaru, black pepper, some vegetable, and Sora's umami bomb. Sora's what? Sora's umami bomb. Yes, I made it and I named it. Don't worry, I'll show you later how to make it. Also, wanna know more about Korean soy sauce and gochugaru? Watch the entire video. I'll share the basic information. Okay? And what else? Oh, you need this. Tablespoon of 15 milliliter. Check your tablespoon cause it is not always 15 milliliter in many countries. Okay, enough talk. Let's make it right away. 550 milliliter of water. When it's boiling, add 1 tablespoon of Sora's umami bomb, 1 tablespoon of fine gochugaru, noodles, and vegetable of your choice, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and black pepper for shakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done! Super easy. All you need to do is just wait. Sora's tip for chewy ramen noodles. I remove ramen from the heat 1 minute before the instructed cooking time and let it rest on the table for a while. That way, ramen noodle stay chewy till the last bite. Smell fantastic! You won't believe it! With only 4 ingredients, you can make this amazing ramen soup. But in case you want some additional kick, shall we add MSG? Why not? Having trouble with MSG? In my opinion, MSG is not so evil. But only problem is, how much? I'll add only a hint of it if I want to. But in restaurant, not all, but some places they add it like this. I think that caused all the problem. Just too much. But amount I recommend you to try is very small, tiny. I cannot even measure. And this is the most common MSG in Korea. If you want to know more about it, go to my playlist named Sauce and Seasoning. Look for Korean restaurant hacks. And now it's time for Sora's umami bomb. 다시마 5 grams, 표고 10 grams, onion 10 grams, garlic 5 grams, ginger 1 gram. I have a video for it. Please watch it after this. The link will be posted at the end of this video. Nobody will believe ramen soup can be made at home this much good and easy. It is healthier choice for you and you will also enjoy the procedure. But remember, please adjust by recipe to your taste and make one and only Mary's Ramen, Michael's Ramen, and John's Ramen, okay? But some people will say, I eat ramen only once in a while. I want more MSG. Yup, why not? So, I'll come back with another ramen recipe with this. So, that's it for ramen. Shall we continue with soy sauce and gochugaru? There's many kinds of Korean soy sauce, but mainly there's 3 kinds. 국간장, 진간장, 양조간장. 국 means soup, 간장 means soy sauce. 국간장, soup soy sauce. It is for soup and it is similar to homemade 간장. Salty, not sweet, light in color. So it is perfect for soup, but lesser known purpose of it is to make vegetable side dishes called 나물. Some people call it 홍간장 or 조선간장. And Joseon is the name of the kingdom before Korea became republic. We put Joseon in anything when we want to refer it as it traditional or original. Now, 진간장. 진 means dense. 진간장 is supposed to be fermented long enough to have depth in flavor. It is rich in flavor, smell, and color, and it is comparatively less salty and more sweet than 국간장. So it is used for stir fry and braising. 양조간장. 양조 means brewed, and other name of it is Japanese 간장 or 외간장. As you can see from the name, it is made by Japanese way. It is supposed to be rich in aroma and umami, and it is similar to 진간장. It is best to consume without cooking, so best for dipping sauce or salad dishes. But many Koreans use it to stir fry and braise as 진간장. And the brand? Like I wrote in my description, I'm not promoting any product. I'm just showing you the most commonly used ones in Korea. So this is the best-selling brand in Korea, but I'm not sure whether it has the best quality or not. Only thing I can tell, there's a premium quality soy sauce, but I just want to use the most common one for your convenience. Anyway, I'm supposed to use 국간장 for this recipe because it is a soup. But I decided to use 진간장 only because it is easier to get. So if you're lucky enough to get 국간장, you can use it, only lesser than my recipe, but it is more salty. And now gochugaru. There's two kinds of gochugaru in Korean cuisine. 고운 고춧가루 and kimchi 고춧가루. 고추 means chili and 가루 means powder. 고운 means finely grounded. So 고운 고춧가루 means finely grounded chili powder. For kimchi, we use this a little coarse one. In English, some people call gochu red pepper, but some call it chili, and I like to call it chili. So for my recipe, I call 고운 고춧가루 fine chili powder and kimchi 고춧가루 chili flakes. However, Korean chili flake is very unique in some ways. It is not as coarse as ordinary chili flake and also not completely dry. That is why you have to keep it in the freezer. And Korean fine chili powder looks similar to any chili powder but tastes different. But in case you cannot find Korean gochugaru easily, you can mix some with local ones. I also used a local one in my last ramen recipe, but to be honest, it cannot beat the Korean gochugaru. And in case you cannot find Korean gochugaru at all, I have made a video for homemade chili flake. Please find it in my playlist named Korean Cooking. I was planning to show you only the brief information about Korean soy sauce and gochugaru, but it turned out both part is longer than my ramen recipe. Alright, bye for now. See you all in my next video. God bless you all. 안녕.